Hello everybody, we're out today, me and Nat, we're out to so we can find a dress, and then we're going to get something to eat. So, plodding around and having a look, yeah, that's all we're doing really. I'll do a bit of recording what we're going to get to eat, we don't know yet, we'll see. So, see you in a minute. There she is. Bought some new lights, look. Show you her lights, because you can't see behind her because of her neck, she can't turn her neck. Got some of them from Aldi, not the caravan things. It's only $6.99 reduced from a tenner, so I've got them, I'll see if they work with her. Just she's got a blind spot. She's just trying to adjust her mental bab. Yeah. She can't really understand how they work at the minute, but she'll get used to it. Anyway, off into town. Right. I got a dress, Rachel, you'll be pleased to know. It's not exactly yellow, but it's good enough. It's quite a nice dress. Sounds a bit weird, doesn't it? In that face. Oh, God, yeah. I'm out for a bit of lunch now. I'm going to fancy a pie. It's boiling hot. I didn't really want nothing to eat, but I fancy a pie. So I'm going to have, I don't know if it's have a steak and kidney, a steak or a chicken. I think I'm going to have a steak and kidney pie, and Anna's going to have they do like ham and cheese plaimans. That's having one of them, ain't you?
I'm going to have one of them, yeah.
That's having one of them. So, loads of the food. We're in the same place, by the way, at that Old Nook. It is quite nice, Old Nook. It is quite nice to you, ain't it? That breakfast was delicious, so we thought we'd come back. At least I know it's going to be nice. And I'll show you when it comes. Bad news. I've run out of steak and kidney puds. I've only got steak, so I've had to have a steak. And I've got no plaimans left for that, have you? No. No plaimans left, all sold out. It must be good. So she's had to have a jacket spud, ain't you? With
cheese and coleslaw.
Cheese and coleslaw.
Let's have plaimans the other day.
Eh?
I'll come and have a plaimans.
Come and have a plaimans in a week or something, can't we? Yeah, and
nice
see what it's like, yeah. If we come early enough, obviously it must be that busy.
Must have been yesterday.
Yeah. So we'll see. Oh, it's lemonade. I'm a secret lemonade drinker. Oh, whites. Oh, whites. Remember that, guys? I haven't seen that for years. No, I haven't seen it for years. Oh, whites. I haven't seen it for absolutely years. It's nice and cold, isn't it, that? Oh, whites. Oh, whites. Alright, guys. Food's here. I don't know what's going on. There's something weird going on, man. It wouldn't do. Want some salt, sweetheart?
It's nice, that did.
Oh, it does. Look, it is nice, yeah. Looks nice, doesn't it?
I think I'd mash though.
Something weird going on. They couldn't do plaimans for that because they ran out of salad. And the salad there.
White bread. But they don't do bacon sandwiches because it's not breakfast time.
Right.
But we can have a bacon with lettuce and tomato one, £2 more.
Wow.
Can you work that one?
Wow. So they can't do a bacon sandwich because it's for breakfast, but you can have a BLT.
Yeah.
I couldn't have a plaimans.
But you can't have a BLT without the lettuce. No.
Pay £2 for that.
Wow. Do you believe that? Hey, that's bad, ain't it, that?
The world's gone bad.
Oh, that's mad, ain't it? So we come here last week or the week before, and it was perfect, wasn't it? Well, that's bad. But never mind. Let's crack on and have a look. Let's have a look at this pie. Let's have a look at the pie. It's a pucker pie, isn't it? It's too much gravy on here for me. Too much gravy. Let's have a look. Nice and soft. Take a it with mash. I wanted new potatoes today because it's a bit sunny. But yeah, I'm a bit.
This isn't very nice. Shall we?
Okay. Oh yeah.
This isn't very nice. Come and have a look at my potato. It's all hard and black. Sorry, just spat some food. You see it?
Well,
I'm not very impressed.
not very impressed today.
No, I've
Right,
never had that.
I'm going to go and eat it and we'll let you know at the end. That was what, Bab?
Disgusting.
You didn't say that earlier. Just, you went. Fred, that was disgusting. That was bad. Very bad. Could have sent it back, but
No point in saying.
that's what- it's there to do the review in it, so and that's what I've
What did you
done.
think of yours?
Absolutely terrible. Mine was like, I'll explain. I'll tell you in a minute when we're walking off. Eh?
You never eat with your eyes. It might look nice, but that was absolutely foil. It was disgusting.
Never eat with your eyes. It's all in the taste, and that was.
Foil.
And see,
Oh.
it was two different people to what we went and had the breakfast. Now, like I've said before on a few things, it's all in whoever's there serving you and cooking it, and that was bad. Weren't that bad?
that
Now I
was
could have sent it back,
Bad,
but I thought I'm not going to send it back because they're arguing. Because it's all in with me, obviously, the food to the channel, so I'll get a bad review this time. You know,
Couldn't do a ploughman.
my pie was quite nice.
Was it?
But obviously, I think it was a frozen, then cooked, and then just put it in the microwave for when they ordered. The peas and the carrots and the potatoes were like hospital food. That's no lie. And it cost me, I think it was $7.95 for mine, and I think it was £6 for Nats. But then the turned around and says, Nat wanted the ploughmans. Couldn't do a ploughmans because they had no salad. And then they put salad on a baked potato.
My baked potato was rock hard and it was like brown and it wasn't even cooked properly. So you're eating it and you're eating like a half done potato. It was, but I couldn't eat it. It was making me heave. It was making me gag.
And then the old couple next to us, they must have been about 70, mustn't they?
Oh, bless
That's for
them.
bacon sandwich. Can't do your bacon sandwich.
Breakfast is finished.
Breakfast finished, but we can do your BLT.
But you got to. But she says I won't have no lettuce or tomatoes on my BLT. She says I can't do that. If you're having a bacon sandwich, you gotta have lettuce and tomatoes on it. So
For £2 more.
for £2 more.
That's disgusting, isn't it? That's disgusting.
And the man wanted his bacon sandwich with his cup of tea, and in the end, he just had jam on toast. I think I should have gone with jam
Yeah,
on toast.
that's all he had in the end, the jam on toast, didn't he? Bless him. And
No salad. Put salad
but
on
no
the
salad, yeah, we can't do that because we've got no salad. And I did ask her, I said, well, I'll have one ploughman's without the salad.
Yeah, just a bit
She
of
goes,
ham and a bit of cheese
and some
bread.
pickles and that. She says, oh, we can't do that.
Can't do that. Not a
And I
good
think
one
they was
at
just being
all.
funny
Not good.
because
at
it's
all.
there's probably too hot and stuffing, couldn't be bothered. Yeah, you want to bring that in? Bringing it through?
No.
No?
No.
No.
Are we going shopping first?
I'm just going to walk through, and go, unless you want to go around the front, and I'll meet you around there and I'll just go through.
Can you get some lemonade then, please?
Lemonade.
Some lemonade, yeah, please.
Lemonade from B&M.
Yeah, please.
Carrying me rant after. Now, what was I saying on our way back now? What was I saying? Yeah, and that's got really bad hiccups and everything from that food, ain't you, Bab? You got really bad hiccups and everything, ain't you? Yeah, as I was saying,
Don't eat with your eyes.
disgusting. Don't eat with your eyes, no. Disgusting.
It looks absolutely delicious when she brought it
Your
out.
jacket spud did look really nice, it did. But it was horrible, weren't it? As I said, I could have took it back. But it's about reviewing it, and I think sometimes a review is better, you know.
It's just the funniness. It was just, I don't know.
And she,
just
yeah,
thinks
because
really
how can you say
funny.
I've got no salad for ploughmans, then bring a jacket spud out with salad, and then say to the old couple next to us, we don't do bacon sandwiches, but you can have a BLT. Well, I'll have a BLT without the lettuce. Well, you can't. What's all that about? That's bad, ain't it? That's terrible. No, and when we went before, it was like the actual, with the breakfast, it was the actual owner who was there. And obviously, you know, it's his business because he told me it was his. And obviously, he's more, you know, he needs to do something about that early because that's disgusting. You know, so I don't know.
Look, then I can see now.
And that you turn around and you said you'd like to go and try the ploughmans when he's there, wouldn't you?
Yeah. I'll go and try it in the week.
When he's there or
We'll
something.
have to see.
Only if he's there.
Put me me off.
Yeah, that's put me off. I wouldn't even score it 1, would you?
No, I ain't going to score that today because it was just disgusting. I didn't like it. And, oh no.
I wouldn't even score it a 1, honestly. I wouldn't. Yeah, the plate was like a baby's plate, weren't it? It was, honestly. Yeah, it really was. But anyway, there you go. A bad one, that. So the Old Nook. Your breakfast was delicious, but that weren't very nice at all. So anyway, we're going now, nearly home. See you later. Bye bye.